You're not lazy. You're just tired and you're still doing your best. So let's clean together. Hey mama, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, I'm Brittany, and around here we keep it real. Today's not about perfection, it's about progress, right? You might be watching this while your house looks like mine, cluttered with kids, crumbs, and chaos. But here's the truth. Even when we're exhausted, small action creates big shifts, okay? So whether you're sitting on the couch, nursing a baby, or finally catching your breath, come clean with me. Let's reset together. All right, we're starting in the living room, okay? Because this is where my overwhelm usually starts. I don't aim for spotless, I aim for better. One toy at a time, one moment a piece. That's what we're doing here, okay? If today already feels heavy, just focus on one space, one corner, one breath. All right, when I'm tired, clutter screams at me, and I've learned not cleaning everything, but cleaning just one zone helps my mind exhale, okay? And I know it feels like we're always behind, trust me. But remember, your home isn't a reflection of your worth, it's a living, breathing space. Today, we're going to give it some love, not judgment. When everything else is wild, I always try to reset one space for me, whether that's, a little nook, a little side of my bed or the nightstand. I just need one place that feels like mine. It helps me think, dream, breathe, and it's my anchor spot. What's yours? Look at what we did, friends. It's not about having a magazine ready home, it's about showing up for your space, your peace, and most of all, for yourself. Tired mamas still move mountains, one laundry load at a time, one wipe counter, and one brave breath at a time. If this video gives you even a little bit of lift today, subscribe and share it with a fellow mama who needs encouragement. We're in this together, and don't forget, you got this.